Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve curve texture problem with ThruPaint plugin for SketchUp. Let's do it. In my case, I want to apply texture for my marble stair. As you can see, my stair steps have curved surfaces. So, what can I do? At first, I apply the texture using Paint Bucket tool, but the result is not what I want. Most of the times, it's error. To solve this problem, I use ThruPaint. In Tools. First, go to Tools plugin. Then choose ThruPaint. In Material, choose Sample Material in UV mode from faces of the model. And click on the texture you want to use. In UV Painting, choose Natural UV. And in the selection, choose Surface. Then, click on surface you want to apply. Now you can see, our problem is solved with ThruPaint. That's all for today's video. Thanks for joining me in this video tutorial. Please subscribe to see more videos. And keep this channel alive. See you again next time.